Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, remote engine start, FWD, tire pressure monitor, HID headlights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.